Greetings. My name is Zaki Yamani Zakaria. I am from the School of Chemical and Energy Engineering, University Technology Malaysia. In this RCEE 2020, I'm going to present a topic titled Constructive Alignment in Designing First Year Introduction to Engineering, ITE, Industrial Seminar and Profession, ISP, Integrated Course Using Student-Centered Learning Approaches. Here's the presentation outline. First, I'll cover the introduction, then followed by the research method, result discussion, as well as the conclusions. Introduction. University graduates, especially in the engineering fields, are facing challenges to remain relevant and competitive in the 21st century. So we need to make improvement in engineering education where it is very necessary and essential for future engineers. Constructive alignment, or we call it CA, highlights the alignment of learning objectives with learning activities and assessment tasks to lead deep and transformational learning. In our subject, Introduction to Engineering, ITE, and also Industrial Seminar and Profession, ISP, we conducted simultaneously by integrating the two courses in one semester according to the CA principles. The design and implementation of integrated cooperative problem-based learning, CPBL activities between ITE and ISP are constructively aligned to achieve both course and program outcome. Okay, here's the research methods. The course of ITE and ISP were conducted simultaneously by integrating the two courses together in one single semester, as per mentioned earlier. Once the sustainability theme was decided, for example, maybe water or maybe waste recycling, okay, stakeholder was identified and a weekly activity lecture guide was carefully crafted. 5 parallel sections, okay, because we have a lot of students, 160 students, okay, so we need to have 5 parallel sections were organized to assist the learning activities for the students through integrated activities and assessment that are aligned with the learning outcome. Courses assessment review was done to evaluate the effectiveness of the CPBL for improving students' learning. So here are the example. On the left hand side, the lectures guide preparation. Okay, the class started and we have ITE courses and ISP courses which are occurring parallel. Okay, we have CPBL stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and we have the relevant workshop and seminar on the left hand side of the diagram. Okay, and then we have a class end and also closure, and then we have the course assessment. The course learning outcomes CLO, program learning outcome PLO, and assessment method for the teaching and learning employing CPBL method for ITE and ISP course is presented here. So we have an example of constructive alignment that would be the reflection journal. Okay, assignment. The reflection journal assignment, you can see on the diagram on the table above, it's marked with a red color, which falls under the ISP course. But students are required to fill up the feedback and information that they have learned from both ITE and seminar classes. So you can see on the table, the left hand side table, which is the activity for ITE, and the right hand side for ISP. You can see the reflections there which actually integrate the content. From this reflection journal, we found 7 key elements of student responses on the integrated course between ITE and ISP. The first one is understanding concept, problem solving, lifelong learning, reflection, time management, creativity. Here are some examples of the responses, information that we obtained from the reflection journal of the students. We can see a lot of points there as mentioned earlier before, and let's see course integration, the last point. The perfect thing about ITE and seminar are well integrated because the seminar class will always illustrate the ITE assignments. For conclusion, the ITE course which implemented CPBL activities has successfully aligned between the two courses. The impact of this integrated course lead to enhancement on students' interpersonal skills and technical knowledge, which were assessed mainly through students' reflection journal. Deep analysis on students' reflection journal revealed that students became more passionate, increased maturity, and acquire internal motivation to become an excellent engineer. With that, thank you very much. See you.